Well, it is all over. It's the King Park Stadium. We just witnessed the Orlando Pirates. Yenza Etumengako, Wichipa United. 3 goals, 3 points, and the clean sheet for China. Dr. Mnyam, oh, and number 1.
Yeah, that's the number 1 now.
Yeah.
So sifikile and ndifuna ukusho abantu abaninzi bathi xa bekhuluma ngebhola bangakwazi ukubheka ucoach uzama ukunika confident uMbuthuma mabayeka abantu ukuba mababe nepassion ngombethu uMbuthuma uzokora and ndiyamcela naye apha khona makake azinikele confident ukuthi makayi rush goal azixelele ukuthi goal into yakhe uzokora because into ezininzi abantu abaninzi ba blame uMbuthuma but imandithatha ukubheka mina uMbuthuma uyazama but igoal useyifuna ngayo yonke indlela engafanelanga ba makayifune ngayo.
Ukhuluma indaba emnandi because the more you bash your players, the more confident yabo yehla. We saw on the game against AmaZulu kuleya draw and he didn't have a good performance. Kodwa namhlanje it was much better than last time. So there's a lot of improvement.
Yes, a lot of improvement and what I can say. You see Sibelebele and that guy Lungu. They combine well. They combine well. And uma ndithatha ukubheka mina uma uMbuthuma uma uSibelebele ezodlala kanje no Lungu so sekuzofuneka ucoach azame icombination yakwa left side because uma uzobheka left side ayikho into eyenzekayo. Yeah, Hoto is right, but uma overlappile asiyitholi indlela yokwenza ukuthi sibone ukuthi kubani odlala naye straight angazi maybe uma ucoach ezokwazi ukwenza athi uma edlalisa uHoto amdlalise no lomjita lo bemdlalisa naye namhlanje then abayenze ukuthi every time ngoba lokho bathi benze bathi ba understand and bonile beke bakhulumisana ngenxa ukuthi abaphaselani ngendlela eright. Yeah.
No, Buccaneer ibhakabhaka ihleli phezulu sizela namhlanje bekhona enye team yakamakhelwane ebihleli phezulu osayigudluzileke manje sekuwena ohleli phezulu sihleli la noma kusengenzeka futhi uphinde ugudluze
mfethu sihlele waya one way until May next year 2027 ilapho sohlala khona yethu le ndawo wonke umuntu uyazi nawo. Yes, that's what I can say for now mfethu.
And it's not only it sakhona MTN 8 Nedbank Black Label kusekunini
mfethu sithatha konke mfethu onke ama 5 cups soqala ngayo MTN sithi Black Label sithi ne Carling sithi Nedbank Cup sithi African Champions siyalanda mfethu stars sethu mfethu basikolete stars the second one
so khona stars sesibilo sonethu
siyashota mfethu kumele sohlala la loading
but siyasinda Sundowns sithi ihlulo ukora nje iconsider ngayo ngoba isindwa istar.
No, into of Sundowns mfethu angeke ngingene kakhulu. Ngeke ngingene kakhulu. I'm focused on these ones. We are the ghost and people knows us. Yeah, we are better and we are excellent. Njengoba bechaza ngoMbuthuma. uMbuthuma kumele relax mfethu adlale ibhola lakhe angadlali under thina ama fans. Thina sinama decision wethu as a fans outside. Ucoach nayo nama decision wakhe. So mfethu yena akhuleka adlala ibhola simple. Yeah, we don't want any player to feel like outside abeceleni no.
Wakhuluma kabi uMbuthuma ekhuluma ku interview yebhakabhaka sithi hey ngibafethu anini assistant bayakhuluma laba abantu hey ndazonivela yabo so yabona from now on ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeKaizer ke manje laba bantu sihleli silwa nabo iKaizer izothi manje sasila until kuphela isizini lokho sithi asila and bona abantu abezayo abazongena emveni kwethu thina so lokho silapha lokho sithi hey kusayilapha iPirates izohlehla yona because of what iKaizer ndiyayazi mina idlala uma uqala isizini nama uphela isizini phakathi nesizini iKaizer izophela.
Yeah, no way to be for
asiyazi bayenziwa yini maybe badlala ama contract asasi.
Well, angibambe lapho ngingabisayimosha sesiyozwa ngabo sebeyikhulumela kuma comment.
Bhaka
saseParliament uyakwazi ukuhlala eParliament bawo ube ungenguye uRamaphosa kuba imeeting ingekangeni so xa ingekangeni imeeting uhlala nabani esitulweni uzenza ikumkani so bafikile abanikazi bendawo bahlala endaweni yabo soze baphinde bayinuke la ndawo
iyofana neMTN 8 view once kubona
ewe and into ebhlungu ngabo bebekade bengangeni ku-MTN sebenike ichance yongena babetha ko-view once as usual ifana nangoku leyo babacimba fana bazawugqiba ku-MTN 8 kule season bayadlala bayayazi position yabo ingapha ezantsi sukela ku9 ukwehla into yabo leyo
kukhona abanye kuthiwa basindwa istar abakwazi ukudlala abakwazi ukuwina kuthiwa istar siyasinda lesesibili emabele
and ayinoba sifene bengakasicingi and bemele baqale safunyana sithi ngokomeza star so banyimele basindwe yabona izolo ngabakwazi nakokudlala igame ecacileyo bazokudlala xa ingathi Chiefs noko iyabaficalisela sayikorile bafanele bazama abazulunga nakwesa star si1 uyabona kwesa star si celebrate asibonakala kwa celebration yaso oyena muntu celebrate ngumlungu wethu ofikileyo xa unesa stars abo zezibili
Haaland
bathi hayi Haaland kwaTemu ebona mhlanje thina sizaziyo into sisuke all the way from Amthatha sizazi basotha 3 points up 3 goals means yabona mosama goals yawathulula ku Pirates na last season sigqibe ngawo siwagalela limitless all the way.
Another clean sheet for Sibo Chayine kuhle kumnandi
siya cruiser nice iyasibona sithi Orlando sidlali nje
chisa wena
I'm telling you
uyasibonela nje nawe siyaglowa thoka sihamba nonyana umnandi nje
konobe yonke into konobe nenkukhu ezindlini zethu izinja nenkukhu kwasani nje kujabule kwasani jonga unyana mlikhosi ne uye athi umntana
shame poor him.
I'm telling you my daughter is a Sundowns fan by the way but indlela abhitha ngayo ngathi akana stars imbini she's not even celebrating umntana msakudlala imatch fuke mincile ethe kodwa lezi stars ezimbini unyana mngena ke uphila ngolila endlini makuzodlala imatch ngo3 ndipheka ngo2 ukwenzela umntana amatye ngoba akasatyi la Chiefs yakhe ayithanda
uyaqumba ebusuku bonke.
I'm telling you unzima nje fa iba idabi ke kwami ibe jonga bebedlala bobabini ngoku I had bandiyobukela ekamereni ngwafuna ningazibonakalisa ba favor ntoni between the two but inyaniso ke nansi team enobomi this is life man this is life ne bazikhethela out of 16 bakhetha izidresses and bayandibona manje ndiyaglow uyanibona anandeqhagu
Akungisho
ilife la Ifile kudala ndibatshela. Dala ndibatshela.
Mama vela siyabisodwa nabo sisihamba nabo.
No, siyabonga kakhulu mabhakabhaka. Sesigoqa looking forward to another game that is coming. Ithini focus, athina amabhakabhaka and ithini message engayidlulisa kwabanye ukuthi let's carry on and fill up a stadium. Akugcwale stadium. Ayishi ingoma.
Amabhakaniya ahlale khona stadium. Thina we deal with sold outs. Nje indaba yethu clear kakufika apha. The only thing esinothetha ngayo guys, let's support our players. They go through a lot. Bangabantu ekugqibeleni they're bound to make mistakes. Masibanike chances. But nabo they must give us something to talk about positively. Because isizathu basibanike pressure is because we want the best for this team. Jonga for instance as I said in Sukemtata we spend money for traveling. Yonke zazinto and ke ngoku nabo siza because we love them. Nabo mabasinike positive things to talk about so that sizoqhubeka nathi siba support. Uyayazi indlela esithenga ngayo iskipa sePirates. Iskipa sePirates sifike kukho kwi-shelves iskipa seChiefs ebesifike before us. But as a sold out has been coming out sizithenga kokoko.
And they are more expensive.
Yes, and that is the level of support esinayo towards them. We are even having a situation abo zibhukiweyo because ziphelile couple of times ziphela abantu balinde ebebezithengile. We are saying kubo we are behind them 120%. They must give us nathi the best thing ever so that so qhubeka asindawo apha once and always asindawo.
Yes. Speaking of the support, asishayele nangumfana kaGogo ekumsupport. Ithi embuthuma. 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 Ayayayay ngiphethe umjomane manje konakele kakhulu umjomane ubabuka ukabaflatheli bazokhala bazothi ufike uhlale lapha phezulu bashiye ngemuva bese uyaphinde ubaflathela futhi uyibona kanjani igame namhlanje
Bhuti mandibulise maliqala ndibulise kuwe ndibulise kakhulu bhuti la kumncedisi wakho ndiyabulisa kakhulu uJomo mfethu lo usuka eStern Cape eTabankulu sebranchini tata mali game namhlanje igame ebenhle kakhulu iOrlando Pirates ndinento endiyithandayo Orlando Pirates eyenzayo. Orlando Pirates iyabathembisa abantu aba-against yona, ibathembise ngokungathi kukhona into ingathi kukhona into engazuyiphumelela, uyabona. Ngalo lonke ixesha uba unokujonga kakuhle i-cup esinazo sizithatha abantu besimincele bengaqondi basozithatha sizithatha, uyabona ngoku into i-DS uyayibona Premier League uyabona xa siyithatha i-Betway siyithathe kwahlokoma ilizwe lonke, lahlokoma ilizwe lonke, uyabona, masiyithatha lahlokoma ilizwe lonke. Seva izinto ezininzi ebesingazazi uba kanti zirongo, seva kuthiwa hayi ngama-own goals besingawazi barongo because bekudala and i-own goal i-own goal ayisusi ibhola yiplay isuse center kwinantsika yayo ihambe yoskorela, yabona,
because of i-press.
yes. So besingayazi loo nto leyo kodwa siye sayiva ke ngabantu mva, yabona, ngosesigugile sibadala kungona siyiva uba i-own goal ayifanelanga uwine ngayo, le penalty akufanelanga uwine ngalo. Asiyazi ke kuba ivele phi loo nto, but into esiyithandayo sizii-supporters ze-Orlando Pirates, sisupport Orlando Pirates. I-Pirates yenza kakuhle kuthi, isenzela kakuhle kakhulu bhuti, andifuna uxoka, isenzela kakuhle i-Pirates and kuyabonakala uba ngaba iyaphambile kunoba iphinde emva. Sicinga ke ngoku nalapho esisuka khona bekube khona amaxesha obona uba kunzima ngoku apha kwi-Pirates, kodwa ngoku bhuti soloko sonwabile ngalo lonke ixesha. Ubuye laa gama ke ngoku kuthiwa yi-happy people, yabona. Sisime kanjalo bhuti. Igame ke namhlanje ibintle kakhulu and isonwabisile igame, sibone amagowuli, le nto siyifunayo. Njengoba sisuke e-Eastern Cape eTabankulu kude, abantu bathi basuka koMthatha, asiyikhaleli thina imali yethu, ayikho nto siyikhalelayo. Siyabulela la kwii-players ze-Orlando Pirates bhuti. Ii-players ze-Orlando Pirates ngalo lonke ixesha zithembekile kuthi, zithembekile kuthi.
No, Mchomane, siyabonga kakhulu, and thank you so much to the players and the people that came up in numbers. Amabhakabhaka ahleli phezulu.
Ahleli phezulu tata amabhakabhaka. Sithi esiXhoseni sithi mayisuke inywanga, yabona. Sithi mayisuke endaweni emhlaba kuba kukhona indawo, kukhona intaka efuneka isuke endaweni yenye. Idedile ngoku futhi andiboni izophinde ikwazi ukusondela, yabona, ngendlela esingakhona. Siyabulela kakhulu bhuti wami, siyabulela kakhulu. Ngicela nje ukuthi